Hello students, today I have uploaded a model question paper exclusively from the chapter Light, Reflection and Refraction. This model paper questions is specially designed to help you practice the chapter in an exam oriented way. As per the latest syllabus, according to the exam pattern, covering all important concepts of the Light chapter. Students, if you have any doubt regarding to this model paper or model questions, please write only the question number in the comments. I will take each question one by one and explain in detail. So just mention the question number. No need to write the full question. See, the first question is the refractive index of the carbon disulfide is 1.63. What is the meaning of this statement? This type of the questions is there. A person wants to see the full length image of the tall building in a small mirror. Which type of mirror should be used by him? See, marks. This is a one marker question. It means MCQs. This is a one marker question. Here this side mention the question marker. How many markers of the each question? See, from starting section A. Just I slowly scroll, just to pause it and read it. You are able to answer and answer the question in your mind. Some types of the questions are the problematics you need to do on the paper. Some of the questions are the just theoretical. If you have any doubt regarding to this question, just write the question number in a comment box. I will explain. These all are the model question papers, not PYQs. Some of the PYQs contains in this questions, but I will upload the only PYQs questions in the future, but within a few days. See, 25 questions is there. See, one more time I scroll from the downwards. Thank you students. One more time listen my words clearly. If you have any doubt regarding to this model paper, please write only the question number in the comments. I will take each question one by one and explain it in detail. No problem. I will explain. Thank you. Have a nice day. Good day.